As Kerala Assembly election is round the corner, let us see how rich some of the candidates are. Some of the details of assets and properties mentioned by the candidates in their affidavit submitted along with the nomination papers are out. Udayamperu Rajashekharan, the NDA candidate from Neyatankara, is a crorepati among the ones who filed their nomination papers in the district on Friday. He has an investment of Rs 21.74 crore and assets of Rs 6.51 crore in his own name. He has an investment of 22.28 crore and assets of Rs 13.66 crore in his wife's name. Both of them have their possession of Rs 15,000 each. He also has a loan liability of Rs 60 lakhs. He has many business investments including hotels. VV Rajesh is the NDA candidate in Vattiyoorkavu and the district president of BJP and lawyer. He has an investment of Rs 11.84 lakhs in his wife's name and an investment of Rs 43,601 in his own name, along with a possession of Rs 10,000. He also has a Rs 24 lakh worth house in Vanjiyur. J.R. Padmakumar is the NDA candidate in Nedumangad and a lawyer by profession. He has a possession of Rs 15,000 and family property worth 2 crore. V.S. Shivakumar is a UDF candidate in Thiruvananthapuram. He has in his possession Rs 15,000. He also has an investment of 37.23 lakh in his own name and an investment of 48.70 lakhs in his wife's name, apart from an asset of Rs 67.95 lakhs. B.R. Mohammed Shafir is a UDF candidate in Varkala. He possesses Rs 10,500 cash. He has an investment of Rs 1.41 lakh and an investment of Rs 10 lakhs in the form of gold and money in his wife's name, apart from an asset of Rs 12.42 lakhs. P.S. Prashant, the UDF candidate in Nedumangad, owns Rs 25,000 in his name. He has an investment of 1.79 lakhs in his own name and 7.5 lakh in the name of his wife. And Sajida Russell, the UDF candidate of Parashala, has a liability of 30 lakh in her name and 75 lakh liability in her husband's name. She has Rs 5,000 in her possession. Her husband has assets worth Rs 1.5 crore. There is also an investment of Rs 12 lakh including 30 sovereigns of gold. Dr. S.S. Lal, Karakutam UDF candidate Dr. S.S. Lal and his wife owns a house and property worth about Rs 4.5 million in the United States. He has a possession of Rs 50,000. He has an investment of 34.25 lakhs in his own name and 44.41 lakh in the name of his wife. Other than that, he has assets worth Rs 1.10 crore, he said in the affidavit. He has an investment of Rs 28 lakhs in the name of his children. It has been pointed out that his wife has $150 in her possession. R. Sridharan, Attingal UDF candidate R. Sridharan has Rs 6,000 in his possession. He has an investment of Rs 1.76 lakhs in his own name and 1.99 lakh in his wife's name. He has an asset worth Rs 8 lakh in his own name and Rs 10 lakh in the name of his wife. G. Stephen, LDF candidate of Arivikara, G. Stephen has a possession of Rs 12,000. He has an investment of Rs 10.24 lakh. Rs 5.81 lakh investment is there in his wife's name and Rs 4.12 lakh in his daughter's name. Along with that, he has a property worth Rs 15 lakh. He gave an affidavit that he also has a liability of Rs 5 lakh. Suresh Gopi is contesting the assembly polls as NDA candidate from Thrissur Assembly constituency. He has assets worth Rs 2.16 crore. As per the affidavit, he has Rs 40,000 as cash, while his wife Radhika Suresh has Rs 25,000 in hand. Suresh Gopi holds a deposit of over Rs 10 lakh in various bank accounts. Gold jewellery of 3,000 gram is also found in his possession. His wife possesses jewellery of 1,000 gram. According to his affidavit, he has to meet a liability of Rs 68 lakh. News Desk, Kaumudi English.